Welcome to the Wiley iPad badge mapping demo. To begin, download your show for the conference. Once downloaded, it will bring you to this screen. In the bottom left-hand corner of the screen, you'll see a Map Badge button. Go ahead and tap that. The first step is to scan your badge. In this demo, we will scan two badges to show the differences between the separators and how to fully map the badge. After scanning the badge, you'll see all the fields pop up. Step 2 is to strip any characters away that are not needed. In this badge, there are no characters that need to be stripped away, so you would continue to step 3. Step 3 is to find the single separator for your badge. The separator is what separates each field from each other. So first name is separated by a $sign and then last name. In this badge, it is clearly the $sign. To remove the $sign, simply double tap it. It will now organize the fields for you to continue mapping. We will now scan another badge to show you the differences. In this badge, there are characters that need to be stripped away. Characters that need to be stripped away are typically before and after all the information. In this case, the number 2 is repeated 3 times before any relevant fields, so we will get rid of them. To do this, again, just double tap the number 2. There's also a 26 at the bottom of the badge, which is also not needed. So we'll go ahead and double tap that. Once you got rid of all the characters that you need to strip away completely, you can simply hit continue. If for some reason you do not know if a character should be stripped away in the beginning, you can continue and then go back and get rid of them. Step 3 is to still find the single separator. In this case, it is the number 3 since it is repeated between each and every field. So now double tap the number 3, and it will then organize your fields. Step 4 has 18 steps. They go quickly. First one is to find a salutation. If you cannot find a salutation in the badge, simply hit the skip button. Next is first name. Once you double tap a field, it will automatically advance you to the next field, which is now middle name. Then last name, address 1, address 2, city, state, zip, country, phone. Now it's looking for phone extension, which is not on the badge, so we will hit skip. There is no phone 2, so we'll hit skip. And there's also no fax, so we'll hit skip. We do have an email, company, title, and the badge ID. The badge ID can be all numbers, it could also have a character, and it could be located either in the beginning of the badge or at the end of the badge. In this case, it is in the beginning. So we will double tap that, and that will conclude the badge mapping. Now you'll have a verification screen to verify that all the fields that you did see are in the right spot. Once you have verified, you can go ahead and hit finalize. You can now continue to the main screen. It's best practice to go ahead and test a few badges if you have them. So we'll go ahead and rescan the existing badge, and you can see all the fields have been populated. We'll now scan a few others to make sure that there were no other fields needed. Here is an international badge, and all the fields do populate accordingly. And one more. This concludes the Wiley iPad badge mapping demo. If you have any other questions, please call the 800 number. Thanks and have a great day.